If you want to add more quick replies for the messages on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just make sure that your band is paired with your smartphone. After that, on your smartphone, just open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now just tap on Connect and make sure that your band is paired with your phone. After you pair your band with your phone, then tap on Band Settings on your phone. And over here you will find the option of General Settings. Just tap on it, and at the top you will find the option of Quick Responses. And from here you can either turn off or turn on this feature, and also at the bottom of the screen you will find the option to add more responses. Just tap on Add Response, and from here you can create a custom response, but it should be under 30 letters, like I'll be late. As you can see, we have entered 12 characters, but you can enter up to 30 characters, just like that. Now, after you create your custom reply, then tap on Save. And from here, as you can see, this is the reply which we have created. Now, at the top of the screen, if you tap on Edit, you can rearrange them as you like. I will drag the custom reply and I will set it at the top, just like that. And you can move the replies around, just like that. And once you're done, just go back and you will save the arrangement. And once you've done that, now if you open your band and if you try to reply to a text message, you will find your custom quick reply in the replies section. And this is how you can add more quick replies for messages on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.